Hi, it's Aaron Malik from FightsOn.net here. Now, fighter jets shouldn't still impress after 60 years, right? So then explain why over 25 countries kept flying the F-5 well into the 21st century. The Northrop F-5 first flew in 1959 and entered service in the mid-1960s. It was lightweight, fast and cheap, built for combat, not cost overruns. The F-5 flew in Vietnam, the Gulf, and dozens of regional conflicts. It was easy to maintain and upgrade, and some of them are still in service flying today. The F-5 was also used as an aggressor aircraft to train US Navy and Marine Corps pilots. However, most people know it as the MiG-28, the black fictional bad guy aircraft featured in the original Top Gun movie. Over 2,600 of them were built across multiple variations, and here's what's wild. In 2024, over 400 F-5s are still in service around the world. Brazil, Thailand, Iran, Switzerland, and Mexico still fly them. Why is that? Because this jet did what modern fighters try to do for 1/10 the price. And when the US military needed a cheap but effective fighter for allies, it didn't send the F-14 Tomcat or the F-15 Eagle to people. It sent the F-5. It was low cost, low maintenance, and high reliability. In an age of multi-million-dollar stealth jets, the F-5 proves one thing. If it works, it works. So ask yourself this: if you had to go to war, would you rather have one F-35 or 20 F-5s armed and ready to go? Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. For more military aviation content, visit our website, fightson.net.